Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my another video. Viewers, as you can see in this video, I will gonna show you chicken wire ghost ideas for Halloween. LED, how to decorate ghosts for Halloween with chicken wire and LED lights. In this video, I will gonna show you LED light chicken wire ghost ideas. Viewers, I hope you will enjoy my video. Please watch my video till end, and if you are a new viewer on my channel and watching my video very first time, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the daily updates. Viewers, if you have any query or any demand, then tell us on comment section. We will try our best to fulfill your demands and make videos, and will make videos on the basis of your demands. Thank you. Viewers, please like my video, share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the daily updates. Viewers, I really hope you enjoyed my video. As you can see, these all are very beautiful ideas for Halloween. Thank you so much for watching my full video. Thanks.